The project today is going to be to make a couple of stools for this bar. The challenge is that the bar is a little bit higher than normal. It's for a little bit more than 44 inches, like 44 and a quarter. So it's higher than the standard. So the stools need to be a little bit higher as well. All right, the recommended distance height from the top of the stool and the top of the table is of about 11 or 12 inches. And the recommended distance from the feet rung and the top of the stool is of about 16, 17 inches. So I have here a 2 by 2 by 8, and I'm gonna cut it exactly in 3 parts, 32 inches each. So and for the seating, I will use this plank and cut it at 16 inches. I want a big, comfortable stool. So, let's clean up a little bit. I will use the router to give a round finish to the seating, so it's more comfortable and with a better looking. With the rest of the goods that I have, I made this gig. This gig is, of course, pretty square, and it's exactly 11 inches, the size of these guys here. Okay, like this. So the reason for this gig is to make the cut markings for the crosses. So I will put one here and one here, right? So they are exactly the 11 inches that we need. So with this one here, to avoid any mistakes, we will mark this side, and this is what For the painting, I painted with a distress style, you know, to make the good look kind of old. So I did first white base, then some stains or spots with brown, and then another light coat of white again. Now I will put these metal brackets so it matches this with these parts. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put some of this here in the corners. All right, this is the finished product. What do you think?